Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to discuss how to fix no cells were found Excel error. It appears when Excel is unable to find the specified cells due to issues with references, formulas, or data validation. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix runtime error 1004. No cells were found using 5 quick ways. Method 1. Remove the protection from an Excel file. If your Excel file is password protected and you know the password, then it's tremendous. You can easily unprotect the protected worksheet by entering the password and solve this error. Here are 3 easy ways to do so. Open your MS Excel file, locate a password-protected sheet that you can see in the bottom of your sheet, and right-tap on it. Next, select the Unprotect sheet. Now enter the password. Way 2. Go to the Review tab in an open protected sheet. Then, click on the Unprotect sheet. Now enter the password to disable it. Way 3. Go to a Home tab. Locate Cells section. Then, click on Format, Unprotect Sheet. Enter the password or click a button to unlock Excel files. Method 2. Use Paste Special. Compared to the previous technique, this method requires a few more steps, but works almost 100% of time. To do so, open the Excel worksheet which is showing the runtime error 1004. No cells were found. Now you need to access the Excel feature special through one of the following ways. Go to the Home tab. Then to Editing, after then hit on the Find and select icon side arrow key. This will show a drop-down menu. Choose the Go to Special option from it. Or on your Excel worksheet simply press Ctrl+G button from your keyboard. This will open the Go to a dialog box in which you have to press the special button present at the bottom. Press F5 and Special. Or just press the F5 key from your keyboard in your opened workbook. This will also open the Go to dialog box from which you have to press the special. In the Go to Special box, hit on the visible cells only. After that, tap on the OK option. You will see that all visible cells are been selected now. Besides that, the column/row borders adjoining to hidden rows and columns will seem with a white border. If done correctly, the problem will be successfully solved. Method 3. Unmerge Excel cells. The next solution you can try is unmerging cells in Excel. This will help you to paste, manage and organize data more effectively. Let's know how to unmerge the cells. Select one or more cells you want to unmerge. On the Home tab, in the Alignment group, click Merge and Center. Or, click the drop-down arrow next to the Merge and Center button. And select Unmerge Cells. Either way, Excel will unmerge all the merged cells in the selection. Method 4. Copy the Excel sheet data to a new workbook. Moving the faulty sheet data to a new Excel workbook is another easy trick to solve runtime error 1004. No cells were found. To do this, open your password protected sheet, select all the content using Ctrl+A keys. Then press Ctrl+C to copy them. After that, create a new workbook and paste the copied content using Ctrl+V keys to a new file. Method 5. Use Excel Repair tool to repair a corrupted workbook. If you are looking for a quick way to fix no cells were found error, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of corruptions in the Excel file and make them accessible. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing no cells were found Excel error. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.